Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to change your name in Truecaller or how to unlist your mobile number in Truecaller so that Truecaller don't display any name when you call someone. So for this we will open a page truecaller.com/unlisting. So in this page we can see we will get two options. First one is change my name, second is unlist your number. Let's see changing my name. So when we click on change my name, we will see some process how we can change our name. So for that we can simply install for Android or iOS. We can sign up to the Truecaller app and we can enter our real name while signing up for the Truecaller app. Once we have created our account, Truecaller use our entered name for next time while displaying in someone's mobile number when we'll make them a call. So that is a way to change your name. Just sign up and provide your real name. But if you wish to change your mobile number, unlist your mobile number rather than changing your name, you can click on no, I want to unlist. Remember, unlisting cannot be reversed, meaning once you unlist your number, Truecaller is not going to reverse it back. So you can click no, I want to unlist. You can enter your mobile number here and click on verify you are not a robot, and then if once you enter a valid mobile number, you will see a submit button, and once you click on the submit button, you will get an OTP in your entered mobile number. After entering the OTP, your number will be unlisted from the Truecaller database. It may take up to 24 hours for the numbers to get removed. So in this way you can either change your name or you can unlist your number in Truecaller app. Thank you for now.